how to create and send a selfie GIF in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Next, open up the text conversation. Then tap on the add button. In here, we scroll down and tap on selfie GIF. Here you can tap on this double arrow button to rotate the camera, to switch the camera between the front and the back. Here, if you're not happy with your shot, you can tap on the restart button to recapture. So here we can record a small clip, and that will be converted into an animated GIF. After, tap on the send button, and that's it. So you can see here we have live recorded an animated GIF in text messages. Now you can tap on it to download it if you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.